This tutorial shows you how to see who viewed, edited, or shared a file and exactly when it happened. First, open Google Drive in Chrome on your computer. After that, click on the file you want to check once to select it. Let me show you. From there, click on the information icon in the top right corner. At this point, click on the Activity tab within the panel that opens. In the next step, scroll through the list to see actions like edits, comments, and shares organized by date and time. Following this, click on the Details tab instead if you want to see file properties like size, type, and owner. Once done, hover over any activity entry to see exactly which person made that specific change. Keep in mind, file activity only shows actions taken by people who have access to the file, not viewers from outside links unless they're signed in. Finally, come back to this same panel anytime you want to check a file's activity again. And that's it. If this guide helped you view file activity in Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.